This sufficiency question here. By natural numbers, I mean positive integers. We can call it just the set 1, 2, 3, and we got to put the ellipse in there to indicate it's ad infinitum. Okay, now we have 4 natural numbers. Now, I didn't say they're distinct, just 4 natural numbers. We know that 11 is the minimum. Can we find the maximum value given one or both of these conditions? Now let's use some convenient choices right here. This would indicate that 11, and y'all, I'll just go alphabetically here. WXY plus W plus X plus Y. Okay, where Y would be the max, of course. All right, all divided by 4 is equal to this strange looking number. Now notice that integers can average to fractions. There's no problem with that. Like, for example, 5 plus 2 averages to 7/2, right? So averaging to a fraction is nothing to get alarmed about. 2.4 kids in each family, right? At least in the US, maybe. So we have 41 over 2 right there. Okay. Now, certainly this isn't sufficient. We have too many problems here. We have too many variables, W, X, Y. So this is definitely not sufficient here. You wouldn't expect it to be. So not sufficient, abbreviated. Okay, so let's take a look at what this condition 2 might entail. Now the median, for 4 numbers, there's no true median, so you have to average the 2 middle values. So this would imply that 18 is equal to W plus X. Over 2. Right, now we don't know what W and X are, but we do know, whoops, that's W plus X divided by 2. Okay, but you see this implies if you multiply by 2 that 36 is equal to the sum. 36 is equal to W plus X. Okay, now if you take a look at this above statement, I guess I'll just come back down just to avoid clutter creep here. But notice if we were to take this 36 and place it right here, because that's W plus X, right? What we would get, and let me just write this down, we would get 11. Now again, y'all, I'm just taking this W plus X and placing it right here. So that would be 11 plus, let me get some more space here, this thing's moving on me. So we would get 11 plus 36, okay, plus Y, okay, over 4, okay, still equals to 41 over 2, right? But you see here, now all of a sudden nice things happen to us. Okay, so if we see, we only have one unknown, which is what we're seeking. Y is the maximum value, right? So if you do the fraction clearing here, 11 and 36 add up to 47, right? So what we get is 47. Okay, and then if we multiply by 4, well, I'm getting ahead of myself. Right? Now, if we multiply by 4, Okay, now I will leave out one tiny step here. That equals to 82, right, folks? So y'all, again, if you multiply by 4 right here, the 4 would come over here. 4 over 2 is 2, and 2 times 41 is 82, right? And right here, you can tell by inspection, whatever you want. You can subtract 47 from both sides. But we can tell that y, simple addition here, equals to 35. Okay? So you see, that is our maximum value. The way we arranged our numbers, that's our max value. And so I'll circle that, but really I think the way the answer should be stated is that both of these conditions, one, let me just write like this, 1 and 2 combine. 1 and 2 combined. One and two combined is sufficient, or it's, I'll just write sufficient right here. Screen moves on me. I still haven't figured this out. And y'all, I think sometimes that together, maybe combine whatever language. All right, y'all, I hope that helped. Let me know what you thought, if I could do anything to make it clear. Thank you for viewing.